Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add bio to our OnlyFans account. Now let's simply look at it. Right here, as you guys can see, I'm already logged in. In case you have not do it right now, the process is quite easy. Right here, as you guys can see, I have already logged in. Now all I want to do is add a bio. Right here, you guys can see I have added no bio at all. Now let's say I want to add it. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to your profile. On the left hand side, just below add card, you can see my profile icon right here. Click on it and then you'll be redirected to this page. From here, all you got to do is click on this edit profile button right here, right next to your profile picture. Click on it, and guys, this is it. Right here from this profile section, you guys can change your username, your display name and lots of other things. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this section called as bio. Just below your display name, you can see this button called as bio. Simply click on it and add whatever you wish. As you guys can see, I have added it. Now all you need to do is save it. At the top right, you can see a blue button like this called as save. Click on it. And guys, that is it. That's how we add bio for your OnlyFans account. The process quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We will be uploading more videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.